Hi guys, today I'm here to explain my group project for SIT 223 and I'm here with my team members Ruvinya and Chalani. And here's what we are going to mainly talk about today, about how our group uh, acted in this particular task and how the resources were used and user stories and features that we added and sprint planning in Trello and issues that we had and how we resolved them through the uh, use of resources. And as the first sprint, what we did was we took together a Scrum meeting and we distributed all the tasks that are related to UI designer, team leader, and front-end developer. Basically, in the first sprint, what we did was we designed the outline of this unit site and added in logos and images and made it visual features. And the second sprint, what we did was we added extra stuff such as staff portal, student portal, and all the course informations and program informations that should be given when somebody is accessing this website. And here are the main team roles that we had. And me, Sevin, I was a team leader and I was focused on interface designing and technical contributions and guidance. And Ruvinya, as the UI designer, she worked on the layout and designed the website while ensuring it processes, facilitates a user-friendly interface. And Chalani, as the front-end developer, she was responsible for implementing various features and um, elements such with HTML and CSS to create a visually appealing and responsive web app. And here's the final result that we got. Here you can see that I have added uh, staff and student portals and course sites. And you can see the main website, which included all the unit details and unit content. And here's the Trello overview of the sprints that we did. You can see, as I explained in the beginning, we have done the homepage designing, website visuals, and search feature addition in the first sprint. And in the second sprint, we have done the adding programming courses and visual portals and news sections for this website. And I'll be moving my part to Ruvinya.
Thank you, Sevin. So I'll be talking about project logistics. So mainly we used MS Teams as the central communication hub for our group, which allowed us to collaborate effectively in real time. Next, W3 Schools was a vital resource for learning and referencing web development technologies like HTML and CSS. It provided us with tutorials, code examples, and explanations, which enabled our group to build the website with best practices and implement features correctly. Trello helped us organize and manage the project by allowing us to break down the work into manageable chunks. So we created boards, lists, and cards to monitor progress, assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and monitor the overall workflow, ensuring that the project stayed on schedule. Also, GitHub was our version control system where we stored the website's code base, which allowed our team to collaborate on the code, manage different versions, and merge changes from different members. I'll be handing over to Chalini now.
So, if we talk about the user stories and features, the first user story we created was, as a student, I want to access my information and course programs so I can manage my progress. So, for this, we added the student portal feature. And for the second user story, we added, as a staff member, I want to access my information, payrolls, and the courses that I teach so I can manage my personal data and my course progression. So, for this, we added the staff portal a button which allowed the staff members to access their payrolls and the courses they teach. Then for the third user story, we included, as a user, I want to search useful information on the website and about courses and news. For this, we included the news feature and the My Courses button. Then for the fourth user story, we included, as a user, I want to access my program information and the course details. For this, we included all the course information and the details within the web page. Now I'll be passing on to my friend Ruvinia.
Next, I'll be talking about the issues and resolutions. So initially, we were struggling with setting up the project because we were all new to GitHub and Trello. Next, we were not proficient in web development technologies such as CSS and HTML. Also, working collaboratively on the same code base led accidental overwriting of code in GitHub. Finally, balancing the project with other academic and personal responsibilities could have led to time constraints. So to resolve these issues, especially the issue of lack of proficiency in Git, CSS, and HTML, we mainly used W3 Schools, which provided us with comprehensive tutorials. Also, we established clear Git workflows, such as creating feature branches and using pull requests for code reviews, regular commits, and clear commit messages to also help maintain an organized code base. Finally, setting realistic deadlines in Trello and breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks helped. And then we used MS Teams to check in with each other about progress.
So now if we reflect on the progress of our project, throughout the project, effective communication was key to our success. We utilized MS Teams as our primary communication platform, which allowed us to hold regular meetings, share updates, and quickly address any issues that arose. Trello was instrumental in keeping our project organized. By breaking down the project into manageable tasks and assigning responsibilities, we were able to track progress and ensure that all aspects of the project were addressed. Balancing the project with our other academic commitments was difficult at times, but by adjusting our workload and supporting each other, we were able to meet our deadlines. The project offered a steep but beneficial learning curve to us, allowing us to develop new skills in HTML, CSS, Git, and Trello. So that's all for our discussion about the project. Thank you for listening.